Hey guys, today we're back playing Minecraft. And Payman, if you're watching this right now, I just want to say thank you so much. You know when you said to me you need a wooden pickaxe to mine stones and stuff and coal, but apparently I was using this for wooden axe to mine, so I wasn't reading this. I thought this is the wooden pickaxe, Payman. So I finally crafted and I mined one cobblestone off camera. And this one, I thought this was the wooden axe, but this was the wooden pickaxe. So I thought the pickaxe was this and the wooden axe was this. So that was completely fine now. So now we're gonna go out and get all the things we need for our furnace. Okay, guys? We're just gonna put all of this here, that there. We'll go out and make our furnace. Just make sure that only this stuff that we have right here is here. I don't want anything bad to happen to my things. Otherwise I get really angry. Like when those polar bears killed me and I lost everything. So now we're gonna go to a hole. And yeah, so Payman, you're right. You're supposed to be using wooden axe, so Payman. Sorry in my mind if I thought that you were being rude, but you actually weren't. You were just helping me. Wooden axe are actually meant for doing wood. And now I got everything now. Now I know why there's all sorts of axes all over there. So now we're gonna mine the cobblestone. So Payman, if you're watching this, just thank you very much for helping me with this. And now I can finally get all of this and make my furnace. Because I've been wanting to make a furnace in a long time. Ever since I started playing Minecraft, it's just I didn't know anything that much yet. I just got Minecraft just a few months ago, guys, in case if you did not know that. So yeah, Payman, thank you. So, I'm not gonna just mine as much as I need for furnace. I think this will probably be enough, but I'm still gonna mine more for stone swords and stuff like that, yeah. So now we're just gonna mine as much as we can right now. I am so excited, guys. I am really, really excited. I'm finally gonna get all of this and make my furnace. Thank you very much, Payman, if you're still watching this. I am not gonna say this again. Anyway, so it's not nighttime yet. So I get scared too easily. And I shouldn't always go there. What's this? A cobblestone. I'm gonna be careful, guys. Don't worry. I haven't even used my sword yet. If something bad happens, okay? I think it's nighttime now, so we'll come back tomorrow. And anyway, it's really close to our house. And yeah, so we're gonna get back in. Inside the house, we're gonna craft our furnace and everything that we want. But right now, we're just gonna craft the furnace. Because I can't wait. I am so excited. Okay, let's craft the furnace. Okay, so let's go here. Yep, I can craft the furnace. Nice. Look, let's see, I want to make these tools, guys. So, are you ready? I can make even two. Okay, 3, 2, 1. We have the furnace, guys. That's awesome. Since we have the furnace, we're gonna put it right here. And then in the morning, when we wake up in Minecraft, we're gonna go and get some coal, okay? And we're gonna start using the furnace. And we'll get all this, just leave the cobblestone. So now we can't get off the bed, guys. So just, get this off. It's disappointed that I just made my furnace and now I'm gonna move it somewhere else. That's just annoying. But it's okay, it won't break. I'm not gonna lose it forever. So it's taking a pretty long time. I don't really want to use any of my tools or anything to do this. Okay, great. I'm stuck. Okay, so most of maybe have to destroy the bed. But don't worry, guys, we'll put the bed back. I would say that we shouldn't, and I was thinking that we could, okay, I know where to put the furnace. Wait, can you put the furnace on the wall? Hold on. You can. Okay, so guys, now I'm just not gonna waste my time. I'm gonna use this to break it, because it'll be faster. So I'm not gonna place it right next to my bed, as I won't be able to like get up. We're almost finished. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna get our furnace, and I'll say we place it, yeah, there. Because I need to get up. Like, we have to. So we could just leave that there. So now let's get out and find some coal. Oh crap, not a creeper. Well, I'm gonna get XP for this. Okay. With experience. Let me see if it's all the way down below. I didn't get any experience, it just literally exploded. There's a spider there, but I won't go near the spider. And that looks like there was a zombie right there. And now we can finally mine cobblestone and coal. Oh, mate, get away from my house. Now. Okay. Yes. That's right. Leave me alone. So spiders don't normally get like fire on them when it's like daytime. But all the other mobs do, like, that, like, normally kill you, but the spiders. So that's actually annoying, and the creepers too. So there's only, like, 2. Like, the creepers is, like, I would say easy to kill. But I won't say it's easy. I would just think, like, I don't know. So I just want to find a hole or a mine with just, like, coal. So we're still here. Should I really go down there? Nah. Oh, great, there's coil. Oh, there's copper too. Ooh. Nice. So let's get it. The coal. Nice. We need all of this coal. I didn't know you get experience for mining ores. That's awesome. But still, guys, you have to be careful. Like, okay, sorry if I just got the coal and I'm wasting it, but I want to make a wall. Because I just, like, don't want anything coming, disturbing me right now. But don't worry, guys, we'll just, like, they won't go through, would they? No, and there's just a pig right there. So nothing's gonna harm us right now, because I just built a wall. So now, because we have coal, we'll be able to craft that light that we always wanted. Hold on. So that doesn't mind, so that means we need this. This is really annoying, actually. Because now we can't get the copper. Well, at least we could get the coal. Please go into the little cube, please. Doesn't. Okay, now what do we possibly need? Okay, let me know in the comments below, because you probably play Minecraft more than I do. Let me know in the comments. Okay, for every ore there is, do you need different tools? Because if it is like that, I'm gonna be very annoyed. Let's get all this coal. There's like so much coal here right now. This is awesome. Like, yeah. Nice. Wow. So don't worry, guys, we're not gonna be stuck here. Like, at least we get more experience for mining ores. Like, do we? Yes. So we're gonna mine all this coal, then we're just gonna like go home and like craft that torch we always wanted. But guys, you know what I think? I think every time we mine, we should craft all of the tools they have that you use to mine, and then just like use each one of them to see which ones work or not. Because I don't want to waste my time like now I can't even mine the copper. Like I'm a little bit annoyed right now about that. No, I can't believe it. I finally have a furnace. If I just crafted this pickaxe at first, I want to have had it a long time ago. Instead of just having to go to the village and breaking the wall. Like, you should check out the other video when it's called I Found a Village, and I just like take the cobble wall off the village and just like take it and just like craft those tools into a furnace. I mean, not tools, but did you know that you can also rob the village? So I think that's enough coal. Let's get the cobblestone. That's the pump. But yeah. So wait, okay, ooh, there's coal. So it's almost, my pickaxe is almost about to die. So that'll be enough. And yeah, that was pretty successful. Nothing hurt us. I think that's just because I put the wall there. But okay, good, we did not lose our house. Cause I thought I almost, oh, nice, a bird. I might be able to tame a dog if I find one. There's another cave over there with coal over there. I'll get that later. I just want to start off with like the normal caves, then I would go to the big caves so I could keep on practicing. So like, yeah, prepared. Now what is that? More bones. Please tell me there's like, oh nice, bones and arrows. That's cool. More dogs to tame. Maybe. Unless the dog wants 3 of them. So now I'm with this pickaxe because I'm almost about to die. So let's get in here. Okay, so since it's about to die, I'll just use it to whack the chickens for fun. Because I like it. It's fun. It's fun to whack the chickens. Let's kill all of them, guys. Let's kill all of them. Haha. Look at all this experience. I'm a monster. Haha. But I'm not gonna kill the babies. Because when they grow up. Well, those are the only chickens I have left. Crop. So now I'm a monster because I just killed all those chickens. Very not nicely. Wait, I still have eggs here. Okay. No. Put this there. Put this there. I guess we could put the arrows there. Won't hurt to do that. Maybe put this there. I don't know. But I just want to like. So where are the eggs that we have in here? Okay, so let's put it here. Okay, so now there's another baby. And now they're friends. Probably, I don't even know. But I'm not gonna kill them until they like grow up. Like, I'm a monster. Well, I am. Okay, let's see what happens if we do this. Let's get coal. Do this. Actually, I have to. Let's not do that. I was thinking that we could like this. Should I? No. Fine. I'll just put it here for now. So we don't really need the sword so much. Did I just throw that? So now we're just going to like, let's get a lot of wood. Bet we should get about like, say, I would say we'll get this much. No, not my sword. Wait. Did I throw it? Is the door open? No. So let's go here. So we craft it. Okay, let's get this stuff out of the way. Put here. Let's craft a lot of sticks. But for now, we're just gonna use like wood. So we have a shovel. We have... Those are literally it for all the tools. So let's make that. That's like literally all the tools. This is all the stuff you can mine with. Hold on. Oh yeah, guys, let's make the torch. Like, so those are all the tools. Let's put this and this here. And put that with that, and then do this. That's really all we have. So now we're out. Are we holding the shovel? No, we want the sword. So now it's just like, I want to get my... Oh my god, I didn't realize how hungry I was, guys. Okay, how long was it? Has the video gone? Okay, 16 minutes. Oh, I didn't realize how hungry I am. Get this. Oh my. Okay, so I guess we can have a little treat right now. It's annoying. It's gonna get in order. But with that pickaxe, I don't really care about as much anymore. So, payment, I'll ask for your help when I need it again. But for now, I'm just gonna try and work it out, like what tools you need or not for whatever. So let's go back to that mine that we were in before. And I just feel like something bad, some kind of glitch happened to us now. Was this the mine? No. I remember it being over a hill. That's what I can remember. Here? No. Oh good, I got my health back. But I'm confused. Like, where was the mine? I guess I could take that. Or wasn't it this one? No. Oh, so hard to just find one mine. Okay, I think this is 1-to-1. No. Oh, bamboo. So might as well take sugar. I heard that sand can make it grow faster. Literally, guys, where is the mine? Oh, I'm on level 10. But guys, where? Okay. Hold on. Was that the mine? Should I really take the risk and go down there? Okay, that's it. I'm going. That was easy. That was easy peasy. Actually. Wait, so they got over the wall. Yes, this is the mine, guys. So let's work out. Does this mine this? No. If that doesn't do it, this. This doesn't do it either. Guys, I'm confused. So, let's see if this can mine coal. Can it? Can I let go now? I'm gonna let go, guys. Just joking, I'm not going to, but test. This is really confusing. Like, I don't get it. Wait a second. Hold on. No. That is really strange. I'm not ready for that yet. So guys, I think we should go back now. Yeah. Yeah, we should probably go back. Yep, we're going back. So apparently we haven't worked any of that out yet. But I don't want to just rely on payment to answer me everything. Like, I'm going to try and work out things myself. Like, I'm not... Oh, spider. Wait a second. Maybe you need the sword to mine that. That doesn't even make sense. Why would I put the sword there just to mine stupid coal? Cool. Oh my... Get out of my way. Get out of my way, boy. Get out of my way. Where's all the XP? No, it's already down here. No, I already got it. Oh. Get out of my way. I feel like I should get the sheep. Get wrecked. I know why, like I said I was going to use the stone tools. Make stone tools now. But I don't know why. I kind of like the wooden sword, actually. Nah, actually, the stone one's better. Oh, wait, I get it. Maybe that's because it's not so strong. Or maybe... Oh, now I get it. Oh. So now I just feel like... it's a stick to mine. Yes! I didn't even need that recipe to help me. Okay, nice. So now since I have those... Okay, where's that rose thingy I have? Here. Take all that wool. So I just feel like I want to make a red something in my house. So guys, I only made 6. But guys, right now we're gonna like go out and get the roses, and we're gonna like, yeah. And that'll be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, remember to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, guys, I just remembered. I forgot to do the subscriber signs. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. But there is one thing, guys. Not everyone, like, not every time in my videos is like, oh, so there's a new subscriber. Like, I don't always get new subscribers, guys. It takes a long time for beginners like me. So sometimes in my videos, there'll be no people going on subscriber sign, or they are. But today, there is someone going on subscriber sign. But tomorrow, I don't think anyone's going to subscribe. So that means okay. What I mean is, like, no, like, if someone doesn't subscribe to me, or they just don't want the name on there. There's no subscriber wall today, but if there is, there is. So yeah, so there is one subscriber today. Congratulations. So where's the signs? Right here. Then we will do that rose thingy. So I remember that person wanting a name. Okay, no. Maybe first I would craft the beds I want. Then I'll do that. So hold on. Okay, it's right there. Get here. Get there. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, you have to craft it into roses. Oh. Since we have that red wool, we'll fix something later. And we're gonna get all this food with us. Are there any other foods in here we want? Oh yeah, we need the seeds in there too. Yeah, I'll put some rotten flesh. I guess so. Can do that. Okay, now we're gonna do today's subscriber on the subscriber wall. So today's subscriber... Okay, no, it's not there again. Oh. So today's subscriber is... Okay. Moon... Sister... Congratulations for being the chosen subscriber. So guys, that's easy as that. Just hit that subscribe button and put the notification bell on and keep on watching my videos. There's a chance that you could be the chosen subscriber in the next one. If you do subscribe. And I'll be checking, so no cheating. Okay? I will check. I am not joking. I will check. The bones there. Put the raw flesh there. So yeah. That's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Sorry I didn't use my first. I'll use that in the next episode. See you in the next one.